Hello and welcome to the 18th lecture running MD simulation from a server or software. So we have been talking about introduction to MD platform LAMPs, and previously we have shown you how to run an MD simulation from the scratch. And now we'll show you how to run an MD simulation from a server or a software. As a flashback, we have shown you an Evocity tutorial where we have shown how to calculate the cohesive energy and lattice parameters for aluminum. And now we'll show you a server called CURLGUI, which is actually an input generator. After you create an account in this server, you will find this many modules and functionalities where you can create your system. It is an input generator, meaning that if you submit, let's say you are in the solution builder module, you will get an introduction on the steps, what happens here. And you just upload your structure file, that is PDB file, and then you go to the next step. And in every step, you will see what happens. First, it will read your coordinates, that is the structure file. It will solve it, the molecule. It will add the ions. It will set up the periodic boundary conditions, and then generate the input files required to run the simulation, that is equilibration and production files. So if you don't want to create your system from the scratch, that is, if you don't want to write a very large input script, rather you want this portal or server to create all the required files to run your simulation, then you can use this CURLGUI server to run your simulation. If you're still confused, then you can watch these 3 videos to get a more detailed and segmented ideas about running an MD simulation. That you can find in this playlist, MD simulation, how to install LAMPs in Windows 10 PC and run an MD simulation, and LAMPs tutorial, where I have shown step-by-step installation, creating the system, running simulation, and how to fix the errors that you can encounter in an MD simulation, and particularly how you can use OVITO to visualize your simulation data and how to interpret them. So in combination, if you watch this lecture along with these 3 lectures, then probably then I can hope that you will have a more detailed idea on how to run MD simulation by using software or servers. In the next lecture, we'll talk about how to analyze the data in MD simulation. Thanks.